What's up, you guys? Welcome to Filmmaking 101 from a kid. This is our first actual tutorial that we're making. I'm just making it just gonna be like a regular YouTube video, but I'm answering all the questions you guys are giving me on Instagram. So every day I'm just posting a new thing on Instagram that says, "Hey, what do you want to learn?" So yeah. And every time I get a reply, I'll just make a video about it. So yeah. Let's start. Today's video is about aspect ratios. So, yeah, I'll explain about aspect ratios. This will be hard. Aspect ratios are kind of complicated. I'll just use my whiteboard I have here. Let me grab a whiteboard and marker. And I'm definitely using a lot of back to school supplies for this video, but yeah, okay. Let me just erase everything that's already on here. Okay, so we have a whiteboard. So aspect ratio. What is an aspect ratio? I can show you. Let me just grab a sock as an eraser. So aspect ratio. Have you ever seen those? Let's just do this. So I'm guessing. So this is the movie. Or whatever. This is the movie or video that you're watching or that you're making. Have you ever seen those have you ever seen those black bars at the top and bottom of the screen? That is one of the most popular aspect ratios. So the most popular aspect ratio is 16:9. That is the main aspect ratio. It's the aspect ratio of a phone. It's the aspect ratio of a camera, not the aspect ratio of what we're using right now. Right now, we're using I think it's a 4:5 aspect ratio, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, if I erase these black bars, I'll show you. So that's this. So without any black bars, we still got an aspect ratio. We have 16:9. So 16:9. It's the math here. This is math. 16 on this side. So 16:9. And the question is, what is if you're making a movie, you should probably stick with the black bars top and bottom. I personally don't know the official name for the aspect ratio of the black bars, but if you're making a movie and you want it to look cinematic, or any kind of a video that you want to look cinematic, sorry about the exposure change. Let me do that. So any type of video that you want to be cinematic, all you have to do, add these two black bars, add a nice color grade, boom. But adding the two black bars are good for a movie, or any cinematic video, because this is what they use in Hollywood a lot. Most of the time, this is what they use in Hollywood. Not all the time, but this is mostly what they use in Hollywood. So they mostly use the black bars on the top and the bottom. But actually, it might look like I'm on a 16:9 screen, but I'm actually shooting this on a 4:5 camera, which is my iPad, and then I'm just cropping it in to. What I am right now is I'm shooting. That's a bad example. I am shooting like this. 4:5. This is what I'm shooting. If you just crop down and you do this, now we have 16:9. If we crop it even further, we would add those black bars. And then if we crop it even further, we would add bigger black bars. And if we crop it even further, the black bars take up almost the entire screen. And we only see that. And if we crop it even further, there is no screen anymore. The black bars have taken over. The world is over. aspect ratios. There you go. That was my dad who requested that. So, yeah, and every time I do a tutorial, I will do a shout out to the person on Instagram who did it. So that will be, let me see if I can, Instagram.com. Hope I got, I'm loading, yep, nope, wrong one. Scott, Scott, let's hope I got it. Yep, yeah. He's a big French guy, so if you check out the people he's following, actually I shouldn't talk about this. Just remember, yeah, right. Just make sure to follow my dad, Scott Einbinder. He's my dad. Yeah, make sure to follow him. And when you follow him, follow me on Instagram at Harley J Loves Music, which is this one. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video. By doing this, you really help support the channel, and me, because the more you watch these videos, the more you support me, which helps me keep making these videos, which helps you guys get content and learn better and become better at filmmakers. So yeah, make sure to take that video. And yeah, this is the end of this episode of Filmmaking 101, Film School 101 from a kid. I'm Harley J, your host. I'm out.